Adjectives for feelings and emotion. Listen and repeat. 기분이 좋아요. I feel good. 기분이 좋아요. 기분, mood. 좋아요, good. 기분이 좋아요. 행복해요. 행복해요. I feel happy. 행복, 행복, happiness. 행복해요. 부러워요. 질투나요. I feel jealous. 부러워요. 질투나요. 부러움, 질투, jealousy. 슬퍼요. 슬퍼요. I'm sad. 슬픔, sadness. 외로워요. I'm lonely. 외로워요. 외로움, loneliness. 외로움. 화나요. 화나요. I'm angry. 화, anger. 분노, fury. 짜증나요. 짜증나요. I'm frustrated. 짜증나요. 짜증, frustration. 만족해요. I'm content. 만족해요. 만족, satisfaction. 피곤해요. I'm tired. 피곤해요. 피로, fatigue. 졸려요. 졸려요. I'm sleepy. 졸려요. 졸음, 졸음, sleepiness. In Korean, adjectives can be used in two ways. One as a verb, two as a modifier. Let's take a look at some example sentences. 나는 행복해. I'm happy. 행복하다 is the base form of happy. Now, it is conjugated based on the tense and politeness level. Another example, 나는 피곤해요. I'm tired. 피곤하다 is the base form. It is conjugated as the present tense and the casual polite language. Now, it's about the modifier. We need to add 니은 or 은 after the word stem. So you want to make a happy day, then the base form 행복하다, 다, remove 다, and then we add 니은 below 하, 행복한 하루, a happy day. The last letter of the word stem ends in vowel, no consonant. So we add 니은, 행복하 plus 니은, 행복한 하루. What about a tiring day? 피곤하다 is the base form. 피곤하 ends in vowel sound, so add 니은. 피곤한 하루. What about a good day? Good, 좋다, the base form. 좋 has hit the final consonant, so we add 은. 좋은 하루. What about a sunny day? Sunny, 맑다 is the base form. So remove 다. 맑 has 리을 기을, the last consonant, so we add 은. 맑은 하루, a sunny day. So depending on the sentence structure you want to make, you either choose the verb form or a modifier form. I always emphasize that instead of sticking with the grammar rules, you choose frequently used expressions. For example, I like sunny days. 나는 맑은 날이 좋아. I'm a happy person. 나는 행복한 사람이야. Use these frequently used expressions so that you can remember things better. That's my tip for you. 기분 좋은 하루. A great day. 기분 좋은 하루. 행복한 커플. A happy couple. 행복한 couple. 질투하는 사람. A jealous person. 질투하는 사람. 슬픈 하루. A sad day. 슬픈 하루. 외로운 남자. A lonely man. 외로운 남자. 화난 얼굴. An angry face. 화난 얼굴. 짜증난 여친. An annoyed girlfriend. 짜증난 여친. 짜증나는 사람. Annoying person. 짜증나는 사람. 만족하는 삶. 만족하는 삶. A satisfying life. 만족하는 삶. 피곤한 친구. A tired friend. 피곤한 하루. A tiring day. 피곤한 친구. 피곤한 하루. 졸린 눈. Sleepy eyes. 졸린 눈. Look at the images and say the expressions. Please practice speaking out loud.